So, theory of motivation. Many authors have tried to develop theories of motivation as an explanation of human motivation. These theories are further classified into three broad categories. First, content theories, second, process theories, third, reinforcement theories. In content theories try to explain content of an individual need, structure, and motives. In process theory help in understanding the psychological process that generates motivation. Third, reinforcement explains the way in which various type of rewards and punishment influence of motivation of people. Need hierarchy theory. It was introduced by Abraham Maslow. In this theory, he looked into the hierarchy structure of the different type of needs of an individual over a period of time. So this is the hierarchy structure which flows from bottom to top, basic needs to higher needs. So first is physiological needs. These needs includes basic requirements of human being like food, drink, rest, sleep, etc. To motivate the employee, first his basic needs must be fulfilled. Then comes safety needs. To motivate the employer, their safety needs should be fulfilled, like job security, financial security. Third, belonging and love needs or social needs like acceptance and affiliation. The employee must feel that he is a part of family. He should think that he is being accepted among his friend and family. Then comes fourth, self-esteem, like power need. An employee needs approval from his colleague. He wants to be self-identified among them. Then last, self-actualization. It is the topmost level according to this need. If a person can be, he should be. In simple words, he should be capable of something. He should be that. Suppose he has a talent of singing, and he should be a singer. Thank you. So, second theory is of McGregor. In 1960, Douglas McGregor developed two theories that explain how managers believe about what motivates their people. He named these theories as Theory X and Theory Y. In Theory X, people or employees have less motivation, so authoritarian style of management is being used. It involves micromanaging people's works to ensure that it gets done properly. On other hand, Theory Y, here employee or people take challenges. So participative management style is being used. Managers give ownership and trust their people.